Congratulations if you've made some money off of Roku. The stock ended the week up 20% off of talks that the company could be selling off. Now, the ticker that I'm going to go over, however, is ChargePoint. We ended the day at $7.14, up 8.51%. I do own this stock. Now, this is where we are. To the north side takes us to one level of resistance and a potential take profit area at 728. Above that, 759 and 787. To the south side, the new middle of the trend and the baseline, and one level of resistance and a potential buy-in area is $6.70. Below that, at -2 standard deviations, 613. 558, and at -4 standard deviations where we could retrace back to this level would be $5.55. Now looking left, you can see that we were clearly in an area of resistance right here, and then it ran some more clear resistance and then a beat down back down to this level and then a bounce up to resistance. There's a gap that will take us to the north side at 749. And I need to clean up the chart. This has closed. I have not gone over this stock in a very long time, but I mark it out for myself. This went up to 678, so congrats if you went long. And it hit your target, so I will delete that. And here it fell to and hit an area that I marked out at 671. And what else? Oh, I need to clean this one as well. We went up and then we filled to the downside at 703 and then melted even more before the bounce. All right, it's a very gappy ticker. Oh my, and we have many other gaps to the south side to watch out for. Not in the channel, not in the zone, but something to be aware of. Okay, and this one will take us down to 450. And unfortunately, the analysts now say that this stock could hit a target of $6.30. So that's another 12% downside. And that makes sense. What goes up must come down, and what goes down doesn't necessarily get up again, but sometimes you have to get down to get up. All right, so this could touch maybe by the end of the week. I just marked out this line and this line to show you the 1 week period. Now, by the end of the week, we could hit 646 as the median, and -2, 559, -4, 530, and then to the upside, 760. Now for giggles, let me show you what we look like on the daily. The RSI, look, let me move this out of the way. It's turning up. Okay, and obviously look at this. We hit resistance up here and then we fell down. Same as this area, fell down. I just use that for support and resistance, and I've looked at this, well, I've made price notes since April 4th of 2024 at $1.50, but it went down to $1.34, I see, and then we had a reverse split. All right, fake pump and dump there. Gotta watch out, this thing will spin you around and slice you. But if it, oops, oh, I guess I bought some here at 76 cents. I've traded this in the past. I do own some shares still, but I got to go back and look at that. But I think I own it down here and some above too. But see, look at this on the 5. This is where I marked. We're just looking at a blip here on the 5. And again, this is on the daily. So you're going to get different buy and sell signals depending upon which time frame you are trading in. So watch out, be careful for the downside action according to the analysts. If there's a ticker you want me to go over, please let me know. and have a great trading week, and watch out for my gap and goes for this week as well.